Hey all viewers, this is Harish from Digital Marketing Hub. I make videos not only to earn money, I make videos for my viewers and subscribers to earn money. Yes, that's my ultimate goal. Now let's come to the topic SEO, search engine optimization. SEO starts with a proper keyword research. After you do keyword research, you have to do competitor analysis and a good article outline planning. Once you do that, you will start writing content with on-page SEO and you will optimize your content as per SEO standards. And after all this, you will be doing off-page SEO and backlinking, which is a very powerful technique in SEO. After all this, you have to drive traffic from external sources like Medium, Quora, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Reddit, and much more. From the beginning to end, I am going to cover you every topic. But if I make a single video on all this topic, it is going to take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make single video on every single topic so that it will be in an episode format in SEO 2022 episode 1, episode 2, episode 3 and it goes on. So already I've covered keyword research in my episode 1. I will give you the link of that video in the description below. Before you watch this video, you should watch keyword research. Only then it will be a continuation and you can understand the video. So in this video, we are going to see how to do a proper competitor analysis and write a better content comparing to your competitors and rank at the top of search result. And also we are going to see how to plan a proper article outline, which includes how many words you are going to use for your article, how many pictures you are going to include in your article, the keyword density and much more. So now let's jump into the tutorial. So if I open a new tab in Google and search for a keyword, good ideas for YouTube channel. So Google is now showing me the top results for this particular keyword, which means these are the websites which are ranking at the top of search result for this keyword. So if you write a better content comparing to these websites, if you make an excellent content which is better than these websites, your content is going to rank at the top. There's no doubt about that. But for doing that manually, it is going to consume a lot of time. You have to open each article and see all the contents in the article and compare it and then write your article. So this is going to take a lot of time and it is the toughest job too. But I have a tool called WriterZen. So WriterZen has got some amazing features that will help you to create incredible article which is better than your competitors who is ranking at the top. And trust me guys, this is one of the best SEO tool and it is better than any other tool in the market. So it is 7 days free and without using the credit card you can opt for 7 days trial, and after that you have to pay for the tool, but it is worth the money you pay. So I already have an account with WriterZen. If you don't have the account, I'll give you the link in the description. You can just get started now by clicking this icon. Since I already have the account, let me click login. So this is the dashboard of WriterZen and we have 3 options here. So to do a keyword research, we have to use Keyword Explorer. I have explained how to use the Keyword Explorer in the previous video. You can watch it in my channel. Now let us focus on how to do the competitor analysis and how to plan a better content than your competitors. So for that you have to click new content here under the content creator option. So let me click here and now it is saying that I have to start a new project. So now let us start a new project. So let the project name be SEO 2022 and let me add this, and the location is global and it is English. If you want you can target a specific country, so I am going to target global. So let me click add. So now you can see that this project has been added. So now it is asking for a seed keyword. Now let me enter the keyword good ideas for YouTube channel. So I did a proper keyword research and now I found out this keyword. So you should enter the entire keyword you have discovered from your keyword research, and you can also give the writer's name if you want. I don't want to add anything here, so let me click add. So it is now collecting the data, identifying the competitors, and it will take some time. Now let us wait for the results now. So now you can see that these are the top 10 articles for this particular keyword. So if you are going to make a good content comparing these articles, your article is going to rank at the top. So in Writer Zen, it is going to be a step-by-step process so that it will be very easy to write a powerful article. In step 1, we are going to decide how long is your article, how many words you are going to use in the article, how many headings you are going to use in the article, how many images we are going to use in the article. Everything will be decided in step 1. After we complete the step 1, the step 2 is keywords to include. Even though the seed keyword is good ideas for YouTube channel, this Writer Zen will suggest you some of the powerful keywords to add in this article. So where does the Writer Zen takes all these keywords? It will take those keywords from these articles. So the Writer Zen's AI system will pick some of the powerful keywords used in these articles, which is helping these articles to rank at the top. So if you use all these powerful keywords included in this article, your article is also going to be much powerful so that it will have the full potential to rank at the top of search result. And the third one is content writing. In this part, Writer Zen will assist you whether you are using these keywords and whether you are writing the article as per the plan. So it will ensure whether everything is going in a right way. So these are the 3 steps which Writer Zen helps you in writing the article. So now let us check here. The highest word count is 10,928. Let us filter from high to low. So the highest is 10,928. If I click here, I will get the quick overview of this article. So the total word count and number of headings in this article and how many images are used. So you need not go to the Google and open each and every article. Every article will be opened in the Writer Zen interface and you can analyze it. So by seeing this, you can declare that if you make an article with 11,000 words in it, you have 100% of chance as a longer article in the list. For this keyword, your article is going to be the longer one. So if you are not able to write 11,000 words article, Writer Zen will suggest you a number. So if you write an article below 2,955, it has lesser chances, but at least you should keep 3,500 words. So that is why it is highlighted in green. So your article should at least have 3,500 words. With 3,500 words, it has 76% longer than the competitors. With 11,000 words, it's 100%. I know writing 11,000 words article is a tough job, but at least you can write 3,500 words article. So you can decide the length of the article by using this method. And it is also mentioned that 30% here. So out of this 10 articles, 30% are from bloggers and rest 70% is from companies and some software tech giants. So you can see that this article is from InVideo. It is a software company. So you don't need to worry about that. If you are writing a good article, you have the higher chances. But if this number is very high, it is a good sign, but it will not make that much effect in your article. And the next thing what you have to decide is how many headings you are going to give to your article. So 34 is the highest, so you can consider giving 35 headings, or if that is not possible, let's come back here and let's choose this one. So here it is 7 headings, so at least you should write 8 headings, or if it is more than 26, it is appreciable, so it has a good chances. So you should decide how many headings you are going to give, and it has given 174 images in this article. So that's a lot of images, but you can at least give 30 to 40 images as an average. So if you choose this article, so it is 44 images, so you should at least have 50 images so that it increases your chances. But images and headings are secondary. The word count is the primary thing which you should consider. And now you will have the idea how the outline works, so that you can decide your outline. So for every topic you can decide your outline, whether how many words you want, headings, paragraph, images. Once you're done with the outline, you can go to the next part, which is set up keywords. You can also choose title here. If you click here, you can see that it is showing what is the H1 of this article and what is the H2. So you can also compare the title of each article, and you can come up with the attractive title which is better than these articles. So you have all the handy options to see the headlines, and you can see the entire articles, how many images, headings, and you will have a clear idea how you can plan your article to rank and how you can write a better article than these 10 articles. So that is the point here. Now let's go to the exciting part, which is keywords to include. So now it is showing a suggestion here. So in outline we mentioned we are going to write 11,000 words article. So now it is giving the keyword suggestion. So you can see that these are the keywords which we have to include in our article. So we should filter this by relevance. So if I click relevance, so this means this word is highly relevant to this particular keyword. So according to the relevancy, you can choose the keyword. So 58 times and 24 times in the heading, this keyword is used, and it is also highly relevant, and the search volume for this keyword is 18,000. So it is giving you the incredible data. So you can add this keyword to the list. So this is the list. It automatically gives you the suggestion, but if you like some other suggestion, you can click this plus icon, so it will be added here. So how many times you have to use this keyword in your article will be also decided by the writers and AI. So which is very powerful. So once you start to write the article, if you use this keyword, it will be calculating here, so that it will be very easy to track how many times you are using this keywords. I'll show you that feature in content writing part. Now let us add keywords. So popular YouTube channel ideas. So this has only 50. So we don't want to include here. So channel ideas. So it is 260, and let us include this. So YouTube video ideas, which is very good, and we can also include this. So we have included some of the keywords, and now let's start writing the article. Now let's click save and begin writing. Now our article writing will begin here. Now you can see that keywords are being listed here. So if I click here, wherever this keyword is used will be also highlighted. So the top 10 competitors, wherever they use this keyword, everything is highlighted here. So if I am copying this line and pasting it here just for an example, you don't do that, because if you copy others article, it will be plagiarized, and Google will be taking down your website. So I'm just showing you an example. If I copy paste this, you can see that it is 1 out of 6. So whenever I use this keyword YouTube channel ideas, it is going to show me the data here. So let me write another time. So totally 4 times I have been using this keyword, and if I use this keyword for 6 times, it is 6 out of 6. So 6 times I have used this keyword, I have achieved the target. So for every keyword, if I start to write the article, it is going to show if I achieve this or not. So it is a very handy feature. If you want, you can use it, or you can skip from the step 2 and start writing your article in your own blog, and just check with these keywords whether you are using these keywords in the right place. So if you use these keywords in the right place, it will give you the maximum possibility to rank. So this is all about how you should plan a content, how you should plan the keywords, and how you should write the content. So I'll see you in the next interesting video. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to watch the upcoming episodes of SEO, because SEO doesn't stop with this. It has lots and lots of things to do. I will teach you in the upcoming video. So until then, it's bye from Harish. I'll see you in the next interesting video. This is digital marketing.